Hey guys, Haz here at Shield Canine. I'm here with Benson. Benson is a Belgian Malinois puppy, about 12 weeks old. He has a lot of natural drive and possession for objects. So this is something that can either go very wrong or very right. I'm new to Benson. He's been with one of my trainers and he's actually been doing very well with him. But with people he doesn't know, obviously you're going to see the behavior probably start to crop up a little bit again. And this is very common, especially in the Malinois. You see it a lot, right? Because they're bred to have so much drive to possess things and to want things. It's very common. That's why Malinois are notorious for biting their handlers. So when I see a behavior like this, I say, great, this is an opportunity. He loves this. So here are a couple of key things that you can do, okay? So number one, at this stage, with the puppy, I'm not so focused on taking the toy away from him. I like to encourage them to play. We're gonna play, I'm gonna let him win, and then I'm gonna encourage him. Bring it back. And when he brings the toy to me, this is the important, I'm just gonna settle him down. Good. Play a little bit and let him win. He wants to go behind me because he doesn't want to engage with me in the toy. And by playing and letting him win, I'm building trust. The big conflict right now is me touching him when he comes to me. So guess how I'm gonna fix that? I'm gonna show you. What I'm going to do is, as we're playing, I'm just gonna put my hand under his chin and I'm gonna wait. And I let him win. Come here, you little monster. And I'll let him know, hey, just because I'm touching your body doesn't mean I'm gonna do something bad to you. Doesn't mean I'm gonna take your stuff. I'm just teaching him I can touch you and we can actually have fun together with this toy. This is the age to deal with these problems for obvious reasons. So what you have to understand is don't fight with the dog that wants to fight. Do fight with him in a way that benefits your relationship. Just to summarize, having him bring the tug to me, playing with him, even though it's a little bit crazy, he's thrashed, it's kind of hard to grab it, touching him while he possesses it, right? Let's see if you can get him to do that again. And building that relationship. So like, you can see he was really uncomfortable with me touching him while he possessed the tug. So that's something that we need to work on. We're gonna tug, and sometimes we're just gonna take a break, and I'm gonna pet him and touch him. If you haven't laid this foundation, you're probably gonna get a few extra holes in you you maybe didn't have earlier. So, I hope this helps you guys. Build trust. Don't fight with your dog.